beach views with an everything. All I wanna hear is in the dishes on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you ain't. You don't really want to. I just wanna.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tamyia. Today I have another TEMU designer inspired haul for you all, and I am so excited. I have so many really good goodies. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. We're trying to get to 3,000 subscribers quick, fast, and in a hurry. Okay, let's go ahead and get into these items. Let's start with these shoes, honey. So these are Coach inspired slides. Aren't they so cute? And they are so comfortable. I was walking around in them. They do have gold hardware. This is adjustable. And here's the other one. Look how cute these are. And then this was the bottom look like. I normally wear a 7.5, and I honestly don't remember if I ordered these in a 7.5 or an 8. But these are too cute, and they're really, really comfortable. I am obsessed, okay? Then I have another Coach item. This Coach inspired cell phone case. How cute is this? Came in other colors, came in a variety of sizes. Let me show you, let me take that out. Looks as so. And then they also came with this little card holder. 2 for 1. How cute is that? It has 2 slots right here. Very durable. Both of them are very durable. I absolutely love this for us. Love a 2 for 1. I thought, oh, I had this Coach inspired keychain. How is that? I know all the girls are putting little chains and decor on their purses. So you just use this part to get it on. Let me see. And you have your little C hanging. And so, too cute. I think they had this in other colors as well. I have one more Coach inspired item to show you, and then we'll get into our other designers. Look at this bag. Oh my goodness. How cute is she? She comes with a strap. This is the closure, as so. And then she comes with a strap. So you can wear her as a crossbody. Gold hardware. And this is a black leather strap. This is too cute. And then you can just put your little... How cute is that? I am obsessed, y'all. This is so cute. If you're new here, everything will be linked in the description box. And if I can't find the exact one, I will link something similar. I also have this Burberry pouch. Last time I showed y'all a card holder. This one you can actually put more things into, like some lip gloss. Maybe some things that, you know, women use. And it has 2, you know, sections that you can put items in. And it's kind of like a blackish silver hardware. Feels really good. I like this a lot. Then I have this Miu Miu inspired cap. Let me see if I can put it in. It's lined. I love that it's lined. It's lined. Can protect our hair. Let me see. Let me see. Look at that. How cute is she? Burgundy is so nice. I'm obsessed. It's very comfortable. It's not like too tight. And I love the fact that it's lined. Now, next item is something that goes on your head as well. It's this Chanel inspired headband. How cute. It came in black and cream. Looks as so. This actually looks cute with what I'm wearing. Let me show you. How cute. I like her. Let's just leave her on. I have this Louis Vuitton inspired keychain. It's like a little cat. Y'all remember this print? And it has a collar and it has like a little baby. So cute. And a little tassel. I love this. This is really, really nice. I have two Tiffany & Co. inspired items. The first one is this ring. It's turquoise and then it has like these little cubic zirconias. And it's actual silver. It has the 925. As so. This is really cute. And it's like comfortable on your finger. And then to match it, I have these Tiffany & Co. inspired earrings. They're a little heart with the, can y'all see good? With the Tiffany blue. How cute is that? Here's the other one. And they have a regular earring post as so. And then I have these Alexander Wang inspired earrings. They have a lot of cute Alexander Wang inspired earrings. These are gold. I've showed you silver and I've showed you like colorful ones before. Really, really cute. I like those a lot. And is that everything? That was really fast, y'all. Like, I was so excited to record this for y'all. But these shoes, highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Also, this cell phone case is literally perfect. And I like the fact that it comes with a card holder. And it has a variety like of phone case sizes that you can choose from as well. So definitely look into the Coach stuff that I'm gonna have linked. Everything is really nice, but the Coach stuff is a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend, as well as the Alexander Wang earrings. I'm so excited. I hope that you're having a great day. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification. Again, everything will be linked down below in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.